This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your location access on the Instagram app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now. To enable or disable location access for Instagram, you want to go into your device's settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then I'm going to scroll all the way down toward the bottom, down to where it says Apps, and I'm going to tap on Apps. Then you want to find Instagram. These are in alphabetical order. I'm going to scroll down to the I's. Right here is Instagram. I'm going to tap on Instagram. And then right up here at the top, you can see location. I have it currently set to never. It never reveals my location. I'm going to tap on it. You can change it to never, ask next time, or when I share, while using the app, or always. You just tap on any one of those to change your location access settings. Thanks for watching.